Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some shiny ornaments, and they're very easy to make, and you could even put these outside. So let's get started. To make these easy silver heart, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner and some aluminum foil. So this is the dull side and this is the shiny side. We're going to use this outside, and I'm going to place my pipe cleaner down and fold the aluminum foil around it. Like that. And now I'm just going to start twisting it. Like that. Fold the pipe cleaner in half, like that. And then bring these two down into the center. Like that. And then just cut these off evenly. Apply some hot glue here. And then just reshape your heart. Like that. And I'm going to cut a little sliver of ribbon for hanging. Glue that here. And I'm going to form a bow. Like that, and glue that here. And then I'll just take another little piece of aluminum foil and fold that up. Like that. And there you go, you'll have a nice shiny ornament for the tree. And I put a bow on both sides. So there you go, there's some quick and easy ornaments that you can make for the tree, and these could even go outside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.